Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you are looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to give you 9 short Java interview question and answer. What is the difference between list, set and map? List members are stored in sequence in memory and can be accessed through the index. For example, list.get0, you can get the data. Sets, there is no relevance of sequence and index. Sets doesn't contain any duplicates, please remember, whereas multiset can have duplicates. What about maps? Maps contains key and value pairs. So maps usually stored using key value. So if you give the key, it will give you the value of the corresponding key. What is the difference between private, public and protected? Private, not accessible outside the object scope. Accessible outside object scope. Protected means becomes private when it is getting inherited. What is the role of synchronization in Java? Managing exclusive access of the code block to single thread at a time to maintain its integrity. So you have a multi-thread application and you have a shared data. If you don't want to miss the shared data, or if you want to maintain the integrity of the data, shared data, you can use synchronization process. Please read through what is atomic operation in Java. So synchronization is a process which helps you to maintain a shared data among multiple threads. What is default access? Accessible only by the objects in the same package. Difference between vector and array list. Vectors are synchronized whereas array lists are not. So if you are having a Java application which does not need a thread safety, you can go ahead and use array list. But if you need thread safety, please go ahead and use vectors. What is the difference between class and objects? Class is a template. I mean data about data. Class is a template using which objects are created in memory. I can give you an example. Employee is a class. It talks about how an object should look like name, department, salary, everything, designation. So employee class is a class, whereas John is an object. Okay, he is the real employee with some attributes like age, designation, salary, name, department. Okay, so this is the difference between class and objects. Describe garbage collection in Java. Garbage collection is a powerful feature in Java. Mechanisms by which Java reclaims the memory inaccessible by the application. That means unreachable objects. You would have created multiple objects, but at some point of time the objects become unreachable. Okay, it goes out of the scope. So someone has to reclaim all these used memories so that they can reuse the memories. Garbage collection is a background thread which will be used for reclaiming all the memories so that it can reuse the memory. What are the different types of polymorphism in Java? Static and runtime. Static function overloading, runtime virtual functions. Last question, different ways of using threads. How can you create threads? You can extend the thread class, or you can also implement runnable interfaces. The best practice is to use the runnable interface, because in Java you can extend only a class only once. Only one class you can extend. So implementing runnable interface is the best practice. Hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best.